Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to increase or decrease the scroll bar button size in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. So you can see here, this one is the default scroll bar button size. So you can see here the default scroll bar button size. So how you can increase or decrease this scroll bar button size. So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus R to open the run program, and in the run program you need to type one name, reset it, just type this name, and you can click on OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now it will open the registry editor program. Now you can see here one folder name as HKey current user. Just select it, and now just click on this left arrow icon, and now you will see a control panel. Just select this folder, and once again click on this left arrow icon, and now you will see here one option, one folder name as desktop. Just click on it, and once again click on this left arrow icon and just click on this window matrix folder. And now on the right side you will see here one name scroll wide. Just select it, and you can see on the right side the default size or the default number, whatever you want to say. Now you need to either increase or decrease it in order to increase or decrease the scroll bar button size. So just double click on it and say I want to increase it, so I'll just add your 500. You can give as much value as you want, so I want to increase it, so I have given a bigger number like 500 just to give you an example. Now click on OK, and after placing your respective value, what you need to do is just right mouse click on this Windows Start icon, and you need to sign out and sign in again. So let us sign out firstly, and we'll sign in and we'll check back if it really gonna works or not. So finally we have signed in again. So let us check now if the scroll bar button size has increased or not. Voila, now you can see the scroll bar button size has increased now compared to the default scroll bar button size. So now if you want to decrease it again, what you can do is on your computer keyboard, once again press Win plus R to open the run program, and similarly just type the name again, reset it, click on OK, and just move back to the same option which I have shown you earlier, and just select the scroll wide again and just double click on it. And now say we want to decrease it, so the default value was 255, so we're gonna put it to 120. So let me put it 120 and click on OK, and once again you need to sign out. Just right mouse click on your Windows Start icon and you need to sign out again. So let us sign out and we'll sign in back again. So finally we have signed in again. Now let us check if the scroll bar button size has decreased or not compared to the default scroll bar button size. So let me show you. So you can see here it's much smaller than the default scroll bar button size, right? So you can see here how thin is it, right? Now if you want to restore it back to the default scroll bar button size, what you need to do is once again just press Win plus R on your computer keyboard to open the run program, and in the run program just type the same name again, reset it, and click on OK or hit enter, and go back to the same option which I have shown you earlier, and once again select the scroll wide and just double click on it. Now you need to put the value. As you can see, the default value before 1 minus 255, which is the default scroll bar button size, and click on OK. Now once again you need to sign out again, and after that you need to sign in again. So let us sign out. So finally we have signed in again. Now let us check back if we have restored back the default scroll bar button size or not. So let me once again open the file explorer. Now you can see we have restored it back to the default scroll bar button size. So you can see here. So by using these tricks you can easily increase or decrease the scroll bar button size in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.